Alright, so this is my switchblade collection so far. Start out with cheap little stiletto, 9 inches, plastic bolsters on it. One of the Milanos. It's got a nice little hole there. It fires pretty well, actually. Yeah. The quality of it, not too bad. Next, NATO Tomb Raider, OTF, 20 bucks. Pretty good for the price. I'd say 20 bucks. Can't beat it for an OTF. I wouldn't use it to cut things, but TF Concord fires real well. Nice. Pull the shivs, Leverletto. Don't remember what the scales are. Anyways, pretty nice knife. Real nice knife, actually. I like these a lot. And lastly, AKC, 9 inches. Don't remember what the scales are. Marking thing. I don't know. One of my favorite knives. Fires real hard. Real hard. It's nice. That's about it for now.